You know, sometimes life doesn't just take you to your knees, it lays you flat. I've been there. I lost everything. And yet, it's in losing that I found the one thing I never realized I was missing. Let me share with you the most profound lessons I've learned when the world as I knew it came crumbling down. Greetings, my friend. I am just a simple monk, someone who's walked a path filled with both blessings and hardships. Today, I want to talk to you about what losing everything taught me about life. This isn't just my story, it's a story for all of us. A story about finding clarity in chaos, strength in surrender, and purpose in pain. There was a time when I thought I had everything I needed. A fulfilling career, people I loved, and dreams that seemed within reach. But then, in a series of unexpected events, it all slipped through my fingers. At first, I fought it. The fear of failure, the shame of starting over. It was unbearable. But as the noise of my grief quieted, I started to hear something else. Silence. In that silence, I realized something profound. We don't truly own anything. Not our possessions, not our achievements, not even our relationships. All of it is borrowed, gifted to us for a time. The pain of losing everything became my teacher. It taught me that life isn't about clinging, it's about flowing. When I let go of what I thought defined me, I discovered who I truly was. Without distractions, I could see clearly. I realized that much of our suffering comes from attaching our happiness to things that can be taken away. True peace, it comes from within. It's the freedom to accept what is, to be present, and to find joy in the simplicity of being alive. And when I say simplicity, I don't mean giving up everything you love. I mean learning to love everything you have right now. The cup of tea in your hand, the breath filling your lungs, the quiet moments when you simply exist. After losing everything, I stopped asking, what can I gain? Instead, I began asking, what can I give? What I've learned is this: the measure of a life isn't in how much we accumulate, but in how much we contribute. When you focus on being kind, on listening deeply, on showing compassion even when it's hard, you begin to see life differently. You see, my friend, you are not defined by what you own or achieve. You are defined by the love you give, the courage you show, and the peace you carry within yourself. So, what has losing everything taught me about life? It's taught me that in letting go, we find freedom. In silence, we find clarity. And in giving, we find purpose. If you're struggling right now, if it feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, remember this: nothing is permanent. Not your pain, not your possessions. What stays with you is the peace you cultivate within yourself. Take a moment today to pause, breathe, and ask yourself, what truly matters?